Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing empties, and I'm going to try to go through these very quickly, keep this video under like 10 minutes, so very quickly. The Whispers cotton swabs, 500 count. These are great for any kind of makeup, cleaning out your ears, all that good stuff. It is what it is. Hand sanitizer, staple. This was awesome. I really love this Bodycology Nourishing Hand Soap. Very good stuff. And Spiced Pumpkin. I will buy this again. I have 2 packages of the Assured brand 5-bladed razors. I love these. Like I said, there are 2 packages here, and I'm on another pack of these right now. I love them. I've never had any nicks, cuts, or razor burn with these. And they give me a very nice close shave. Same thing with these, no nicks, cuts, or razor burn. And these are the 6-bladed razors from Assured. I actually really like these, but they are harder to find than the 5 blades. For kids stuff, we have the Equate Kids Bubble Bath. This is 32 fluid ounces. I got this on clearance, I believe. This is trash. I won't buy it again. It's very liquidy. Now, it says this is concentrated performance, 33% more bubbles per use. No. I find the DollarTree one worked way better than this one. It barely sud. It didn't last the entire bath time. No. The Kids 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner from DollarTree. This is okay. I prefer the Dial from Walmart, but only because he has like curly, very thick curly hair, natural curly hair. So this is just okay. This is if I can't get what I wanted at Walmart. The Suaves Kid Detangler, Hair Detangler in Silly Apple. Really good stuff. Love the scent. Worked great on his hair. And this is a Crayola Color Twist Bath Bomb. And of course, it was fun. Fun color reveal, and I just like bath bombs, so that's a win. And a razor that I enjoy splurging on is the Skintimate. These are like $5 for like 3 razors. These are the sugar razors. They smell amazing. I don't really think they did much for like sugar scrub-ish, but they smell great. They give me a very close shave. There's 4 blades. 3 of these for $5 to me. That's a splurge purchase, but I really love them. Speaking of leg shaving, I like to use hair conditioner, especially in the summertime, for a very close, smooth, moisturizing shave. You can dry shave with conditioner, if you didn't know. So I like using this conditioner. Right now, I'm using on a shave gel, like a shave cream also. I have 2 different products I'm using through. But I do really love and prefer using conditioner to shave with. If you haven't tried it, please do. You probably won't turn back. The Axe Twist Revitalizing Shower Gel. This was very nice, citrus, loud scent. Very, very nice. My husband used this. The Spiced Pumpkin from Bodycology, the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. Very moisturizing. I love this. Lathers very nicely, very quickly, and a little goes a long way. The scent lingers on your skin, and for the price, you can't beat it. And this is like my 2nd bottle of this. The Bath & Body Works Magic in the Air. This is okay scent. I think I got this for a gift. I didn't pick this out on my own, but it was okay. Bath & Body Works is nice. I like it. They lather, it gets you clean, you know, but I did much prefer the Bodycology to this. For hair, sometimes I pick up the Suave 2-in-1, and I will switch shampoos periodically. It's good for your hair. And this one is a shampoo and conditioner in one. And typically when I use the 2-in-1s, I have to have some kind of like hair treatment as well. A conditioning treatment to use every other week anyways. And I have the Daily Defense Frizz Defense Deep Conditioner. I really love this one. And I have the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. I love this for my hair. I have thick, natural, curly hair. And this really helps detangle. And it smells great. Very moisturizing for my hair. I like it. Moving on, I have a Dial deodorant. This is the The 24-hour protection one. I found this at Dollar Tree. This was good. This was nice. I prefer a rollerball during the summer. I have been hanging on to these Empties for a while. Right now I'm using a solid. I don't know why. I think that's so funny. In the summer I prefer shaving my legs with conditioner. In the winter I prefer creams or gels. And same with deodorants. Rollerball in the summer and solid in the winter. Funny, right? I think it's goofy. But anyways, moving on. I have one of these Body Fantasies Twilight Mist. This is my favorite Body Fantasies spray. This was like a little one that came in a gift set. Smells awesome. Very musky, very grown up kind of scent. And from EAD, I don't know. This came from the Dollar Tree and it's an Extreme Happiness. It's one of those aerosol bottle perfumes. Very nice. You don't get much in here. The scent did not linger, but I would repurchase this scent though. Extreme Happiness. It was very nice. Then from Bath & Body Works, I love this new packaging. And they may have changed it again since then. I don't know. But this is from a couple falls ago. And I rotate my perfumes so often it takes me a long time to go through one. So, Pumpkin Picking. It was very nice. Very, very nice mist. I have an Amber Romance Sugar Scrub that I'm done with. Very nice. Just a sugar scrub. Another Bolero Body Souffle. I love these. Very thick moisturizing cream from the Dollar Tree. And I will always pick these up if I see them. Right now I think I have 3 of these put back. So, very awesome. They come in different scents sometimes as well. I have a Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Lotion from Bath & Body Works. Very nice. Once again, very moisturizing. Not as thick as the creams, the Ultra Shea Butter creams. But I also have Magic in the Air, which I used up at the same time I used the body wash. And like I said, it's an okay scent. Not something that I would repurchase a lot for myself. But overall, very nice. And I do enjoy Bath & Body Works lotions. But I will buy Bodycology over them because Bodycology is cheaper and I get the same effect in my opinion from these products. So that's that. And last but not least, just a couple more items from Pampers. I picked up these Expression Fresh Bloom Scent Wipes. These are nice. You don't get as many in packages as other wipes that I enjoy. You get 56 in here. But I love the scent. I love how soft they are. And they work at cleaning little hands, makeup removing, all kinds of different things. Swatches. So I will repeat purchase those. And last but not least, we have the Bolero Vanilla Sugar and Raspberry Paper Facial Mask. It performs like any other facial mask. Nice, moisturizing, hydrating, glowy skin, all that good jazz. And this is the only face mask I had this time. I hadn't been doing any face mask much. So that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Empties and hopefully it isn't too long. Stay tuned for more Empties videos. I have going to break the makeup Empties off into a separate video. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you so very much for watching.